Yo, what is good, everyone? Take it right here. Today is I'm gonna be reviewing my Friday 10th July's price action. So let's get into it. Okay, going into the day. Um, yeah, I mean, I just had to assume a bullish order flow. Daily fair value got tapping. Um, we had these. We had these draws on ES. Also here, this is the monthly gap, right? If we make it, yeah, we swept this low and we, oh damn. Okay, we swept this low and got a bullish, yeah, and a bullish reaction from it. So I assumed that this was last resort. Last resort, if we take this, then we'll dump. But um, this is actually last resort, 0.7. If we take this, then so as of now we're temporarily bullish. So what do? We put in highs up here. And where can we manipulate for delivering lower this forward gap? So that forward gap needs to hold. We have four for value gap tapping, which we're just going from internal to external. Boom. So now that's the case. Um, we took out external. So if we're going to continue, then this 1 hour gap needs to hold as my condition. So we have 4 fair value gap tapping, we have a 1 hour fair value gap tapping. On NQ we had this 1 hour bearish gap. As our draw, we also had a 1 hour bearish fair value gap tapping, and we're going on forming higher highs. This is the 4 hour fair value gap tapping on ES, so this is protected. I see the 30-minute gap rejection here, so I'm leaning bullish. Why? Because price action is bullish. 30-minute fair value gap tapping right here. So if we're bullish, I would like this to hold. And this 15 failure swing. This generated liquidity. So so the condition. So this is a 1 hour bearish fair value gap tapping, and there's we're in bullish order flow. So 30-minute fair value gap tapping. Um, So this, let's say this was my draw, the 1 hour bearish gap, as well as these being my draws on ES. So we got a 15-minute, cool. So 5-minute fair value gap tapping. So 30-minute fair value gap tapping, 5-minute fair value gap tapping, protected. We also have as my condition. Oh, we also have a potential bearish SMT, which is the best. It's the best condition for me. So this is the potential bearish SMT. So the entry trigger would be this bearish gap failed display highest time frame failed displacement, and then we target this as this is a bearish SMT inside a 1 hour gap, and this should deliver if we're bearish. Are we ready to deliver? Yes. And same thing here. Protected high, protected high. We are ready to deliver. Maybe some small form of manipulation required. We did get this. We do have a bullish SMT here, pre-market. So what's happening is fine. I'm seeing, are we ready to deliver or not? Yes, we are ready to deliver. We still could sweep this though. We still could sweep this, get an SMT, and then push higher while respecting this higher low, because it's still OTE. You know, it still could be done. Um, we have this bearish SMT, but as soon as we counteract this bearish displacement, so what would my condition be? My condition would be if we make it in this range. So highest time frame inverse would be the play. Um, one hour bearish five. We have this SMT. So if we counteract this entire displacement, then we're longing. So um, I could take this IFG. This IFG, it is also it's also a catalyst. This would be a failed bearish displacement. This IFG is a really good IFG. Uh, because we tried pushing down once and price below is balanced. Or in general, this is trend line. This would have been a great trade. Because we're ready to deliver. The trade I ended up taking was 864 to 861. Have to hold for 1:1 and we go break even at the 1 hour bearish gap. This is my trade, but I went break even. So I didn't trust my uh, I didn't set and forget. So to be successful, you need three things, right? Uh, you need a strategy, you need risk management, and you need trade management. I did not management. I didn't set and forget. I didn't set and forget, and this would be the trade too. We're protected by an SMT pre-market, and right now, market open, we're distributing towards a draw, and the conditions are met. That higher highs, these are being formed. Conditions are met. Catalyst is failed bearish displacement, and catalyst is that failed displacement leg of the bearish SMT put in, and we have a good draw on liquidity. So yeah, so yeah, my bad. So this is the trade of the day. This is the trade I took. I got break even. I didn't accept. Uh, I like this trade. Why? Because this bearish S&P got displacement. So we should fail bearish displacement. So ideally we should make it up to the 1 hour bearish gap. So I got break even, and then because of that, we have a higher time. I literally took this trade. We are in bullish order flow. That's I'm literally hoping for a higher time frame reversal, assuming this is manipulation. All because we rejected this, uh, and we got an IFG doesn't mean we're going bearish. We are in bullish order flow. Look at this. Yeah, we're literally higher, high, higher, 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 high. This could be generated liquidity to go higher. we respected a 5 minute gap, bit, and this is the way like this is a trade which I would take like back in the day. It's not a good trade where only because we are in bullish order flow. As soon as I see this, this I should have taken this. Why? Because if we make, if this is trend line generated, if we make a lower, if we take the stop loss, we are shooting all the way down, and this would be my trade idea, pretty much. Um, but yeah, the reason why this trade is I took this trade. The reason why this trade isn't good, it is directional deciding. If it moves stop loss, it's proof that we're bullish. But uh, we are in bullish order flow, so I'd rather stick with bullish order flow than when in bullish. When in a bullish order flow, you must assume bullish order flow until proven otherwise. If we take this, if we take these shorts and then we get a pullback here, then I would be much more comfortable to shoot down. It's just a higher win rate play. So that was my second trade, and then yeah, and then I longed ES because then it was proof that we are bullish. Um, I kept longing and adding. What is my eventual fill? 601 to 601. Yeah, I guess when we pushed, what was the time? Time I closed, 54. Yeah, I expected we made this push higher. I expected this to I expected this candle true. I fully expected this candle because we started the low resistance run. I expected it to continue. Unfortunately, it did not. So I got break even on that, and then 943 to 927, 955. What kind of fucking trade is this? 943 to 927, 955, 959. 955. On what? 943 to 927. Not understanding why I took this. 955 to 959. 955 to 959. Bro, this is such an ass trade. I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck to say. Bro, what the fuck is that? No protected stop loss. I think I entered on this green candle right here, and I was in with heavy side, so I assumed that we would push higher. But yeah, another good trade. Once longs became apparent, would be limiting this 1 minute gap. We didn't get filled though, but I would limit this 1 minute gap, order block, take profit. That would have been great. But yeah, these are my trades. I blew one eval, so yeah, that's in there.